Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Archbishop 2.0 from Ferrum Forge, which you can find at KnifeCenter.com. Let's check it out. So the Archbishop 2.0 is part of Ferrum Forge's Pro Series, which is a way to get into their knife designs without the price of the full-on custom. And now that these are being made by We Knives in China, the price and performance is truly spectacular. The features on this knife read like a list of greatest hits of all the best modern knife designs. We start with a super steel blade, M390 in this case, paired with a titanium frame lock body. It features a very smooth flipper opening mechanism that rides on ceramic bearings. We also get a replaceable steel lock bar insert that's going to increase the longevity of the lockup of this knife, as well as a sculpted titanium pocket clip. Really, you couldn't ask for anything more on this knife, and therein lies its beauty. It's a simple design that's built to exacting standards that has everything you need in an everyday carry knife. The entire shape of this package is very well thought out. The handle's long enough for a full 4-finger grip without being too huge in the pocket, and we also get a nicely sized finger choil here at the front of the blade, allowing you to choke up for finer work. And the drop point blade shape is just about perfect. It's going to be a phenomenal slicer thanks to that belly, and it's going to cut very efficiently. As I said, the action on this knife is just about perfect. It's almost impossible not to deploy this knife fully when you use the flipper. But if you want to be a little more discreet, we also have a nice thumb hole cut out here on the blade, which means you can open it one-handed with your thumb. We've also got a really nice rough and tumble finish to this blade. It's sort of a matte stone-washed look. It makes it look ultra rugged, and it's only going to look better with time and use. It would have been easy for Ferrum Forge to go a little bit simpler with the variations on this release, doing maybe a couple of different colors, but we've got 3 different colors as well as 4 different milling patterns available. We start with the fully sculpted frame, which features a radius front and back, so it's not a fully flat knife, which is going to add some nice layers of comfort when you're actually using the knife. The rest of these patterns all feature flat scales with some really nice mill work on it. This one features a diamond checkered pattern with sort of an integrated bolster on the front. We also get this one with an open slot cutout that follows the contours of the frame. And probably our favorite here at the Knife Center is this version with the inset chevrons. All 4 of these different handle options can be had in 3 different colors. You've got a gray, blue, and a bronze finish, and they've all been stone washed, which means you're not going to have to worry about marking them up when you go to actually carry this knife in your pocket. You're not going to get those snail trails that some of the high polished titanium knives are susceptible to. Seriously, I can't tell you guys how much of an incredible value these Archbishop 2.0s represent. We've got some truly high-end materials with high-tech fit and finish, all wrapped up into a very usable everyday carry design. If you like what you see here and want to get your hands on one, click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.